Welcome to Halacha for Children. Today's first halacha is that when placing the hand tefillin on the lower part of our biceps, we should be careful that the knot, which is shaped as a yud, should be on the bottom of the box, facing towards our hearts, and on top of the knot should be the box of the tefillin itself, not the other way around. We shouldn't have the box facing our hearts and the knot of the yud above the box. Halacha number 2, there are 3 parts of the tefillin shel yad. The first part is called the ktsitsa, which means the square box upon which we place the parshios. The second part of the hand tefillin is called the titura. It's the part beneath the box, which is wider than the box. And the third part of the tefillin is called the ma'avarta, which means the passageway. On one of the sides of the titura beneath the box, there is a hollow gap in which we place the strap of the tefillin through this passageway, and then where we tie the knot of the hand tefillin. So it says, halacha number 2, that when placing the hand tefillin on our left arm, we should be careful that the ma'avarta, the passageway, should be facing towards our shoulder. That should be at the top. And the titura and the ktsitsa, the other part that doesn't have the passageway in the box, that should be facing the other side towards our elbow. However, let's say a left-handed person, if they don't have access to a tefillin that's specifically made to be worn on their right hand, what should they do? So says the Shulchan Aruch that ideally they should untie the knot of the hand tefillin and retie it in a way where it's positioned properly. But if a person can't do that or they don't know how to do that, then what takes precedent is that the yud, the knot of the tefillin, should be facing towards the heart. Meaning as follows, that when they're going to put on a lefty's tefillin on their right hand, they're going to have the position of the tefillin facing the opposite direction, where the ma'avarta, the passageway, which usually faces the shoulder, is going to be facing the elbow, and the titur and the ktsitsa, the other parts, that's going to be facing the shoulder, so it's going to be positioned in the opposite direction, but at least we'll have the yud of the knot of the tefillin that's facing towards the heart.